going to be the curriculum song by Ryan.
Elizabeth. Ellen.
All right, here we go. What was yesterday? Just what we do this year connects to what we did the year before. Curriculum is not a collection of random activities. It is coherent and focuses on important things, and it connects across all grades. It's what we're doing here, helping students learn. Is it preparing them for a place in the big world? Curriculum is not